Saturday morning fabrics, nothing better. These fabrics are all about the new blouse pattern. They're a new blouse pattern that we put up. So I want to share them with you because they're just stunningly beautiful. What you're looking for is a fabric that both sides are usable and that has really pretty drape. Or like this really lightweight sheer where you'd want several layers. And the tank could be one layer. Anyway, you get it. This is 100% linen. It's a beautiful piece of fabric. 100% linen. It's a woven. Both sides are usable, although one side is a little lighter than the other. I love this piece. This is just beautiful. I threw in a little piece of silk because it goes beautifully with that pink, and it's just a really pretty. It's 100% silk. It's a woven, and it speaks for itself. Anything I would say would just diminish it. It is a stunning piece of fabric. Then we have a viscose, and this viscose feels like an ITY. As far as the drape goes, as far as the body, it's just a beautiful piece of fabric. It's a viscose, but I love the drape on it because it really feels like a ITY. The backside, you don't want to use the backside, so you'd have to either use 2 layers or be creative in your seams. It's very pretty. And then here we have a stretch silk. This is a stretch silk. It's a panel, and the panel, I've left this to where this is right down the center of the panel, so it can either go up and down or it could go sideways, but it's by the yard, but that panel is going to be in the middle. So if you want more than one panel, you need to make sure that you get more than one yard. Okay, that's a stretch 100% silk. This is a linen also, 100% linen. This is a beautiful lavender color. It is a woven. You can see it just doesn't wrinkle. I think it's just because of the space in there. It's just so pretty. Just a beautiful piece of fabric. And then I put this in. This is a viscose 100%. And it's fun because it goes with this pink and the purple. It goes with both. So I really like bringing that in with this group. And I've sat here, we were at the store last week looking at this fabric forever. There's not a word that's spelled. It's stretched in both directions. It's a really fun fabric. You can be turned any direction, but you can't get one word out of it. You can get some letters, but we're going to call this just the mixed up alphabet. All right, that's it for today. The goal is, as you know, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.